Today we will be making delicious banana pancakes. For this recipe, you need 9 ingredients. We'll start with 2 cups whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 6 bananas, 2 whole eggs, 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and nonstick cooking spray.
In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Mix all together. In another bowl, mash 2 bananas, add eggs, milk, and vegetable oil. Mix all together. Add wet mixture to dry flour mixture and stir until just combined. Spray a skillet with non-cooking spray and heat over medium heat. When heated, drop batter into skillet using a large spoon. Cook until bubbles rise up evenly throughout the pancake. Flip the pancake using a spatula. Cook 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Serve pancakes immediately, topping them with banana slices instead of syrup.